Hello everyone, in this video we will learn the easiest method to set alarm as well as turn off or turn on hourly beep sound on this SKMEI 1637 model watch. Let's get started. At first we will learn to set, let's say, turn off or turn on alarm in this watch. To do that you have to go in alarm mode at first. Currently I am in dual time keeping mode. As you see here, DL is mentioned. You have to press left side down this mode button to go towards alarm mode. This is stopwatch. This is actual timekeeping mode. Press one more time. This is date function. Now this is alarm mode where you can see AL is mentioned. So once you come in this alarm mode, to set alarm, for example, I want to set alarm for 6 a.m. Then you have to press right side this reset button for few seconds. You have to hold it. As you see here, after pressing for few seconds, the hour have started blinking. To go ahead, press left side down this mode button. Once you press this, you will go ahead, and if you cycle through the hour, you can even change AM and PM. As you see here, now nothing is mentioned above this AL. It means this is AM. And if you continuously press this left side down button, you can even go towards PM. But for now, I want to set alarm for 6 AM. So let's move there. So this is 6. Now to adjust this minute, press right side down button. As you see here, you can adjust it. To go ahead, you have to press left side down button, this mode button. Okay, now if you want to adjust this back digit, again press right side down button, and you can press this left side down button to go ahead. But for now I want to put alarm for 6 a.m. so nothing is mentioned over here. As you see here, only AL is mentioned. This is AM. So this is what I want to keep alarm. So to keep it fixed, press right side down button. So once you keep this alarm on, now you will get a chance to turn off or turn on alarm, as well as you can also adjust hourly beep sound. As you see here on the display, ALM and SIG is mentioned. ALM means alarm, SIG means hourly beep sound indication. Now press left side down button. Once I press left side down button, you can see here both are turned off. It means alarm as well as hourly beep sound both are turned off. Now if you again press left side down button, you can see here only alarm is on. And if you do the same, only hourly beep sound is on. And if you press it again, both are turned on. Once you turn on these all, to keep it fixed, press right side down button. And if you press left side down button again, you can move towards timekeeping mode. You can see here both alarm as well as hourly beep sound is turned on. So this is how you can set alarm as well as turn on or turn off hourly beep sound on this SKMEI 1637 model watch. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.